Sa pagkakaalam ko, hindi kailangan. Because government now has enough cash to be able to sustain a program that can help control inflation. So today, ang cash position ng gobyerno, hindi alam ng marami. We are actually net positive for the first quarter. We have been able to collect collate money na double than what was accomplished in the first quarter of 2025. Kung ayuda ang pinag-uusapan, this is really just one part of Bayanihan 3 na if I, for lack of a better term, no? So it cannot just be ayuda-centric. In fact, ayuda, as far as what the speaker wants, is not even 15% of the entire package that he wants.
Alam niyo po, 95% ay nag-i-import po tayo. Very dependent tayo sa petroleum products. Kaya dapat may mga alternatives tayo. Ito ay isa pa po ito, nabanggit mo nga sa ating Pangulo, ang compressed natural gas. Isa pong malaking reserve din ng ating lalawigan, compressed natural gas. Diyan po sa area ng Santiago, San Isidro at Itiague.